Click on the link below to get price. The Ridingtimes Upgraded GT73 Pro/GT54 Pro electric dirt bike is a remarkable fusion of performance, durability, and cutting-edge technology. Designed for adults, this electric dirt bike promises to deliver an exhilarating riding experience, whether you're tackling rugged trails or cruising through your neighborhood. One of the standout features of the GT73 Pro is its powerful motor, which provides impressive acceleration and a top speed of up to 30 miles per hour. The bike's 60V battery offers an impressive range, enabling riders to cover long distances without the constant worry of recharging. Depending on your riding style and terrain, you can expect a range of approximately 40 to 60 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for both short jaunts and extensive off-road adventures. The construction of the GT73 Pro is solid, with a robust aluminum alloy frame that can withstand the rigors of off-road riding. The bike features high-performance suspension systems that absorb shocks effectively, providing a smoother ride even on bumpy terrains. Coupled with 21-inch front and 18-inch rear tires, the bike offers excellent traction and stability, ensuring confidence in various riding conditions. In terms of comfort, the ergonomic seat design allows for extended rides without discomfort, making it suitable for both leisurely and aggressive riding. Riders will also appreciate the bike's intuitive controls, which make it easy to switch between the 3 speed modes, catering to both novice and experienced riders alike. The GT54 Pro version also provides additional features like upgraded LED lights for improved visibility during nighttime rides, enhancing overall safety. The bike's sleek design and modern aesthetics further add to its appeal, making it a head-turner on any trail. Overall, the Ridingtimes Upgraded GT73 Pro/GT54 Pro electric dirt bike offers an exceptional blend of power, comfort, and style. Whether you're a seasoned dirt bike enthusiast or a beginner looking to explore the thrill of electric riding, this bike is a worthy investment that will not disappoint.